My dear students, today we are discussing about antioxidants. So what is the antioxidants? So the antioxidants is the stopping or inhibition of free radicals, free radical rate. Inhibition of free radicals rate is known as a antioxidants. So the antioxidants, one more definition, it is the stopping of the oxidation reaction. Stopping of the oxidation reactions is known as a antioxidants, mainly involved in the stopping of the free radical reactions in the body. So it production of the free radicals and their neutralization, how to inhibition of the free radicals, it by the neutralization process, by the neutralizing process, inhibition of free radicals, in the body. So it is the different ways of classified into antioxidants are classified into different types. So first one is antioxidants relation to the lipid peroxidation. First one classification depends upon the lipid peroxidation. It classified into two types. Depends upon the lipid peroxidation, the antioxidants are classified into two types. One is the preventive antioxidants, and the next one is the chain breaking antioxidants. So the preventive antioxidants means it that will block the initial production of free radical. It block the initial production of free radicals. Example catalase enzyme. And the second one is the chain breaking. It inhibit the propagative pace and lipid peroxidation. Inhibit the propagative pace. Propagative pace of lipid peroxidation. So chain breaking means inhibition of the propagative pace. Propagative means at the middle of the reaction at breaking of the chain at the lipid peroxidation. So what is the example? Example is vitamin E or uric acid. Uric acid is the example. And second classification, according to their location, it is classified into three types. So what is the first one? Plasma antioxidants. So the example, what is the plasma antioxidants? The best example is the ascorbic acid and uric acid. So what is the plasma antioxidants? The plasma is presented in the blood. So location depends upon the blood. The blood also containing the oxygen. That oxygen also produce the free radicals. That one is blocked by the plasma antioxidants. Examples is ascorbic acid and uric acid. So the plasma is present in the blood. The blood containing the oxygen. That oxygen is produces the free radicals. So that free radicals is inhibited by the plasma antioxidants. And second classification, and first classification is the plasma, and second classification is a cell membrane antioxidants. Example is the tocopherol, alpha tocopherol. The alpha tocopherol also, it is the alpha tocopherol is mainly affected on the cell membrane antioxidants. In case of the cell membrane, outer layer is known as a cell membrane. That cell membrane also containing the oxygen and participated in the production of the free radical. That's one is inhibited by the alpha tocopherol. The next one, intracellular antioxidants. Intracellular antioxidants. So the intracellular means between the cells. Between the cells having some gap, that gap also filled by some oxygen molecule. That oxygen molecule also produces the free radicals. That free radicals is inhibited by the intracellular antioxidants. So examples is the catalase enzyme, and then catalase enzyme is the best example for the intracellular antioxidants. So the next one, according to their nature and action, according to their nature and action, it is classified into two types. Nature and action, it classified into two types. So what is the first one? Enzymatic antioxidants, and second one is the non-enzymatic antioxidants. Enzymatic oxidants and non-enzymatic oxidants. So what is the enzymatic oxidants? So example is the catalase, and superperoxidase, and different types of enzymes. So the enzymes also participated in the inhibition of the oxygen production, or inhibition of the free radical reactions. So that is called as enzymatic antioxidants. Non-enzymatic antioxidants are again classified into two types. So what are they? One is the nutrient antioxidants, and second one is the metabolic antioxidants. Nutrient antioxidants and metabolic antioxidants. So nutrient antioxidant example is the ascorbic acid, and carotenoids. And the next one, metabolic antioxidants is example is the glutathione, and the next one, glutathione and uric acid. So this is about antioxidants and their nature and location. So this is about antioxidants. So the antioxidants, the inhibition of the free radical rate and stop the oxidation reactions, and as well as the by the neutralizing process, inhibition of the free radicals. So it is classified into several types. And the first one is depends upon the lipid peroxidation. Second one is the location. Third one is known as the nature and action. So this is about free antioxidants. If you have any doubts from the antioxidants, tomorrow we will discuss later.